abstract purple blobs in the bathroom. Well, hello. Welcome to Vegas. There's my sink. So we're in the Valley Tower, 10th floor. Room seems quiet, hall seems quiet. 2 nice queen beds, one for me, one for the luggage. And we have a bit of a view this trip. 10th floor, the big Ferris wheel there next door. That's right, 67, baby. I like it cool. All right, look at that. Look how far into our 100 we are. $1.17. Nickel denomination, betting $1.25, and we got the 3 moon race mission patches. Well, let's get a good bonus here. 10 spins. All the poker symbols, all the 9s and 10s and jacks are taken away, but you still have to line up the moons and the carts. Oh, the 2 more. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness, that's a great one. Yes, yes, yes. As I was saying, you still have to line up the moons and the carts and the premium symbols. 6 moons. Excellent, excellent, spectacular. Oh, come on, land a mini for 50. Land a minor for 250. Come on, Moonrace. One more. Save it. Save it. Well, at least we got a great one in the rollout. Even if nothing else followed in the bonus. Look at that. Not even $2 into our 100. Look at that beautiful moon in the lower left. Wowzers. So well over 100x in the bonus. Excellent. 166.25. Astronauts are wild. Still got 4 more spins. See if we can do it again. Can we do it again? Oh, now Moonrace is feeling shy. All right, we got something there. Last spin. 2 more. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, look at that. Up to 269. We'll do 3 backup spins. 1 and 2. Again, 3 of the moon race patches or 6 of the moons. All right, let's do 1 more. Cashing out right there. 264. Thanks, moon race.